Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I produce articles and videos on a broad education for latest technologies, job vacancies in different universities and different companies, scholarships from different universities and different organizations. In the present video, I would like to talk about what to expect from the first ever all virtual Consumer Electronics Show 2021. The 2021 edition of Consumer Electronics Show is one of the biggest and most influential global tech events worldwide. Will have over 1000 companies showcasing their new and upcoming products and technologies. CES or Consumer Electronics Show is the most significant technology event of the year that takes place in January. This year the technology event has gone all digital and over 1000 companies are expected to showcase their new and upcoming products, technologies on the platform due to ongoing pandemic. We are looking forward to the big announcements that start next week, January 11th. But before that, here is a quick roundup of what to look out for at the show this year. Innovation in television. Television is one of the key areas where most brands like Samsung, Sony, LG, Panasonic, etc. give a demo of what is coming next. LG and Samsung have already made several announcements. LG will be showcasing a TV that can be flat for watching TV and for gaming. It can be bent to become a curved monitor. LG has also QNED Tech, a transparent OLED screen that will be showcased. The transparent OLED is aimed for more professional users such as restaurants and hotels. On the other hand, Samsung will be showcasing TVs that can adjust the HDR of the display based on your ambient lighting and TV based on its new micro LED technology. TCL is showcasing the next generation mini LED technology at CES as well. Along with these, expect to see 8K TV announcements from multiple brands and a few rollable TVs to be showcased. Hygiene focused personal technology. The pandemic has resulted in a lot more focus on hygiene over the past few months. We already have UV cell phone sanitizer boxes available for use. UV is ultraviolet. You should expect similar products to sanitize all personal gadgets, including phones, tablets, headphones, etc. to be announced at CES. LG already announced their earphones, LG Tone Free, with an UV nano charging case that eliminates 99% of 99.9% of bacteria on the earphones. We expect other brands to follow suit. So expect more true wireless earphones with the UV cleaning cases at CES 2021. I have already told you CES full form is Consumer Electronics Show. Touchless smart home appliances. Another area where COVID-19 will help innovate is the smart home. We have already products that can be integrated with the voice assistants to use with the voice. At CES 2021, we expect a range of such products for a smart home to increase exponentially. Expect various brands to launch products ranging from vacuum cleaners, air purifiers, water filters to disinfecting lights that can help and keep your home clean with your voice. LG has already shared details of an InstaView refrigerator that has voice recognition and boasts of UV nanotechnology that cleans and delivers hygienic and germ-free water from the built-in dispenser tap. Next generation of hardware. At CES 2021, AMD is giving a keynote. Intel has announcements on the media day. The NVIDIA also has a broadcast event. These three are the most prominent names for hardware components, and we expect them to announce the next generation of hardware at CES 2021. AMD and Intel are expected to launch new processors for the consumer as well as server usage. NVIDIA, on the other hand, could launch a new range of mid-range graphic cards for gamers. Expect laptop and desktop announcements from brands such as Asus, Acer, Lenovo, HP, etc. that would be powered by these new components at CES. Foldable smartphones and tablets. We saw a couple of foldable smartphone announcements in 2021 from brands like Samsung and Motorola. At CES, smartphones are usually not the focus of brands, but since the technology has been around for some time, there could be a few foldable smartphones announced. We expect prototypes or concept designs of different foldable phones to be showcased at CES 2021 this year by multiple brands including TCL, LG, etc. Dell has showcased a foldable tablet earlier, while Lenovo has already a foldable laptop. We expect more devices in these two categories with a foldable display to be announced and launched as well. Electric cars at CES 2021. Sony surprised everyone with the showcase of an electric car. This year we expect a lot more automobile brands to display their electric vehicles. GM Chief Marketing Officer has a session on a move towards an all-electric future during CES. BMW iX has already been announced, but new electric car announcements or demos of next generation cars could be shown by Audi, GM and Mercedes at CES 2021. I hope this video is very interesting and very useful, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share this video, and please press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching my video.